It's Crypto Bro here with the Crypto Bro Show. Welcome back, my friends, to another hot video. Today is Monday, April 14th, and in today's short, quick video, we're going to be talking about the crypto markets, and we're going to be talking about how far Bitcoin can go. But before we do that, guys, I do have to hit you nerds with this nice little legal disclaimer. As you guys can see, this channel is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. It is a part of educational content, and you should always consult a professional for legal advice. Once again, guys, this is not financial advice. Guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the crypto markets over here. As you guys can see, we got Bitcoin going for 84,000. It's been going up for the past like 6 days in a row over here, so that's pretty good. We got ETH going for 1,600. XRP's back up to 213. Binance Coin holding pretty solid at about 585. We got my boy Solana trading for 129. We got Tron fluctuating a bit, but still going for 25 cents. Dogecoin 15 cents. And Cardano 63 cents. So that wraps up the top 10 there, guys. Let's see if there's any big gainers for the day. We got Fartcoin up about 17%. Let's go over here to Crypto Bubbles. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Fartcoin's up 18%. OM is down 45%. What is up with OM? What is this? Let's go ahead and take a look at this one real quick. All right, down 45% in a day. What is this? Hopefully none of you guys got wrecked on this one. We don't really, if you guys are new here, be sure to, hit the like and subscribe. We'll try to get to 6 likes on this video. But yeah, we don't really advocate too many shitcoins over here. You guys know what I'm saying? Oh shit, this shit almost fucking froze my setup, dude. What the fuck? It's fucking crazy. Bringing the world's financial ecosystem on chain. Come on, bro. What the fuck does this shit even mean, bro? Just a bunch of fucking words and shit. It's like, come on, man. Fuck, man. There's so much fucking bullshit out there in the market. Like, look at this. If this shit was good, why is it down 46%, right? See, look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this. Holy shit. This was trading for $6 a few days ago. You guys see this? Guys, that was April 10th. We're just on April 14th. Oh my, guys, do you see this? Look at this. Let this be a reminder for you nerds out here thinking that you're going to make a killing with these altcoins. Look at this. All right, you should just stick with the solid coins over here, guys. Just stick to like BTC, ETH, and like Solana and stuff. Because look, BTC's dropped a little bit, right? But it's only dropped like 12% in the past 3 months. You guys see this coin over here? It's dropped 90% in the past week. This is, wow. This is how you lose 90% of your money, is by buying coins like that. Look at that. That is insane. Or I guess you could have made money if you saw this coming. You could have shorted this on certain markets. This shit's crazy. Look at this. Plunging 90% overnight. Suspicion about Telegram being deleted, but it was reported that it is not. Community suspects a major dump. Website was reported as unresponsive, but it actually works. Damn. Crazy, dog. Guys, gotta be careful out here with these shitcoins. Just stick to the real coins, guys. Just stick to Bitcoin. Eventually, Bitcoin will hit 1 million. Don't take it from me. Take it from Binance co-founder CZ. He predicts Bitcoin to hit 1 million. You know what I'm saying? But he says it's not going to happen overnight, obviously, right? So, it's going to take some time, guys, according to my boy CZ over there. And, yeah, at the end of the day, guys, things are looking pretty good. We're up about 6 days in a row. If you look over here at the bottom, over here the VWAP just went up. Let's see, let me point that out in a better way over here. You guys can see this over here? All right. Yeah, that VWAP just went up, so that's pretty good. So, hopefully this is the end of all the bad news, guys. The Trump tariffs and all that trade war bullshit. But if not, I do have to keep it real with you guys. I saw this other article. This guy claiming to be an expert. I don't have it pulled up right now, but he was saying we could go as low as about 10 G's for Bitcoin. And let's see if we can kind of play that out here on a yearly chart here. I don't think we'll go that low, guys, but maybe he knows something that I don't know. As you guys can see, Bitcoin looks pretty healthy on a yearly chart. Let's see. To see some red, you may have to go to like a weekly chart. Okay, yeah. Let's see here. Weekly chart over here. Draw some trend lines over here for you little nerds. All right. Another trend line over here. Yeah, he's saying he sees us going at 10K, so let me see if I could even fathom that happening here. All right, let's say we kind of trade around a little bit over here. Kind of bounce around. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's doable, but it's gonna take like a really massive crash, guys. Let's see here. Let's see what this gentleman I was talking about. Yeah, that'll put us down to some levels that we haven't seen since like 2020. Should probably be a good buying opportunity. So if that does happen, yeah, let me see if I can find this article for you guys. Oh, I found it for you guys. Sorry about that, guys. So yep. So yeah, this gentleman here, he's saying a little bit opposite of what CZ is saying. So guys, I'm giving you guys both sides of the story here. You know what I'm saying? This is some real shit for you motherfuckers, as my boy Wes Watson would say. So how low could Bitcoin go? This expert predicts Bitcoin can drop to 10 Gs. So let's see over here. Bitcoin price as of Tuesday, April 8th, fell below the key support of 80,000, continuing its steep decline from 109. Yet the crypto community is buzzing over a dire warning from Bloomberg senior commodities strategist? I always mispronounce these words. Mike McLone? Bitcoin could crash to 10,000, a level last seen in 2020. So yeah, you know, it could crash, you know, to 10 Gs, you know. But guys, honestly, I think a lot of people would buy it up at 20 or 30. So I think it's kind of unrealistic, but anything's possible, right? So he says the whole space needs purging, just like the .com bubble did. It's getting it in 2020. It's getting it in 2020. All right. He says rampant overhyping crypto. Spotting assets like Dogecoin. Dogecoin still has a $20 billion in market cap. It's basically a joke. How much is it worth, Dogecoin? Oh, I get it. It's worth $23 billion. Okay, yeah. That's a fork of a fork. So a clone of a clone of Litecoin, which was a clone of Bitcoin. So yeah, not much value there, but you know, some jokes are valuable, right? So depending on how you see it, you know. This guy's talking shit about Dogecoin and the whole community. But hey, guys, maybe he's right, you know. If we're in for a good crash, I'm ready for this crash. This is the crash that I'm ready for. And I'm like, all right, guys, it's going to crash. Because we've seen some good crashes in the past, guys. Let's go over here to some good projects. Let's see here. Solana. Nice, reputable project. I don't think it's going to disappear. Had a nice little high over here. What is this? 258. You guys see that? Crashed down to like 11 bucks. Look at that. Imagine accumulating here for 11 bucks. Just imagine doing that, knowing it's going to ride all the way back up to nearly 300. You see that? Guys, so if you believe in a project, a crash can be a good thing. Man, bullish on Solana for sure. So, yeah, guys, you know, at the end of the day, guys, you guys got to buy projects you believe in. You guys got to be a little bit like Warren Buffett, too. Be greedy when others are fearful. You know, it's not good for the market to crash because a lot of you guys will lose money and stuff. But at the end of the day, if you can endure a crash like that, which a lot of you guys can't, you know, you probably don't have the stomach for it, or like the, what's it called? Like the diamond hands. A lot of you guys are missing the discipline, because to be successful in this thing requires you to, one, you have to know about Bitcoin, right? Then you have to know how to buy it, and then you have to know, hey, it's gonna crash a little bit. It's okay. I'm going to endure that, and then you're going to, you know, in the long run, get those gains. But a lot of you guys are not going to have all these factors, man. So if this shit does crash down to 10,000, a lot of you guys are going to get wrecked, because a lot of you guys would sell, thinking, oh, it could go down to zero. It'll eventually find support, you know. I don't think this thing will ever go down to zero or some crazy price ever, again, like $500-600 bucks. But if it does, I got a bunch of credit cards. I'll try to liquidate the credit cards, and I'll buy a bunch of Bitcoin right away. You guys know what I'm saying? And that's what I would recommend that you guys do for anything that you guys believe in, right? Like, let's say you're looking at this. Let's say we're comparing Bitcoin to like Apple here. All right. Well, the price of Apple is like $202, right? But if Apple had a bad day, tomorrow in like the market, and they crashed down to like $30, I think a lot of people would be excited about that. Buying Apple for $30 and riding it all the way back up to 200 would be some pretty fantastic numbers, right? So yeah, guys, at the end of the day here, market's looking like it's gaining some money back. The Trump tariffs kicked in right over here. All the money, you guys see all the money came out of the market. Look, a nice market cap, 117 trillion. Boom, money's coming back a little bit. So let's see. Can we do this with the crypto one too? Let's see here. I had to use this site to see like the whole market cap over here, man. Oh yeah, just click over here, right? Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, we just go over here. Let's see here. See, this is right around the time of the election right here, right? Yeah. When was the election? Like November, right? Yeah. Look, market cap is growing. Trump won. Oh. Yeah, that's good. Market cap went down. Look at that. Woo. Yeah. We're on a downward trajectory market cap wise. You guys see that? Look at that. Yeah. At the start of this year, we were 3.6 trillion, and today we're 2.6 trillion. So we've lost $1 trillion in crypto market cap. So it's tough to see which way this is gonna go, guys. Sometimes crypto is a little bit unpredictable. Sometimes it's kind of like a bipolar crackhead. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be careful out there. Guys, gotta be careful. But yeah, from reading these charts, like we had a nice little run up here, guys. You guys see this? Look at this. All right, look. The election was right about here, right? And then boom, we just started printing. Boom, boom, boom. And then Trump actually got into office, and then shit, my man Trump crashed the whole market, man. You see this? Man, this ain't cool, bro. We voted for you to make money, man. Like shit, look at this. But yeah, this is on a downward hill, guys. I wonder if I can plot this crypto market cap on TradingView here. Can I just do the total market cap? Let's see. I've never done this before. Let's see. Oh, wow. So, yeah, you can do this. Oh, this is crazy. This indicator works with anything. This is actually very, very valuable. Wow. So, as we can see, if we would have had this up, we would have seen a blood diamond come in right here, right? All right, let's point this blood diamond out for you guys right over here. This little blood diamond right there. Let's make that red to make it appropriate. All right. As you can see, that blood diamond came in Monday, December 16th of last year. And then from there, that's telling you, like, hey, it's like, this is going to sound arrogant, but these indicators, and I don't know how all this stuff works because I didn't program it, but it's reading all the data and it's saying the market's likely to go down. And look, it was right. 32%. Look at that. That's crazy, guys. You guys see this shit? That is crazy. But as of right now, we could be going back up. So let's see here. Yeah, we have the buy indicator there. Okay, yep, that's the sell indicator. Let's see. It's a good week right there for us. We're gonna have to see how the next few weeks play out, guys. But yeah, as we can see here in crypto, we've lost like a lot, guys. We've lost, look, literally $1 trillion, over $1 trillion, over 32% of the market cap has been lost. So it's not looking that good, guys. But I guess it could be looking good depending on your mindset, right? So if it crashes real low, you're not going to be excited, but you could accumulate. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. What do you think is going to happen? And if it does crash, are you going to be accumulating? Or are you going to be cashing out? You know what I'm saying? A lot of different things could happen, guys. You know what I'm saying? And it's really, really hard to predict all this, but let's see if we could try to do some predictions here. Let's see, pull up the daily. Yeah, I mean, for the past few days, crypto as a whole is going up. But it looks like the VWAP is about to tamper out. You guys see this? All right. So this is the prediction over here, guys. The VWAP was going up, but it looks like it's slightly losing power. You guys see this? It was going up, but now it's going back down, kind of. And this candle here, all right, is a lot smaller than those other candles. So tomorrow could be a red day. You guys know what I'm saying? It could be a red day. You know what I'm saying? It could be a lot of choppy movement for crypto. You guys see this? Look. A lot of choppiness, man. So yeah, guys, be careful out there. You know, don't invest more than you could afford to lose. But at the end of the day, guys, you know, crypto does pretty good on the yearly chart. Let's pull this back up on a yearly. Yeah, on a yearly, guys, if you were to lose on a yearly, it would just be like a bad year for like everybody. But yeah, you know, the majority of you guys are losing because you're buying high and you're selling low, right, bro? So at the end of the day, if you just, you know, hodl, have good diamond hands, bro, and just hold through the bad times and keep accumulating, I think the next few years could be good, guys. The next few years could be good. So yeah. So, all right, guys. I know it's kind of like a long, drawn-out video, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think, man. Let me know what other content you guys want to see. You know, maybe we can make some more entertaining content on the channel. You know what I'm saying? I gotta teach myself how to edit these videos. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Crypto Bro signing out.